Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am with you with class 7th Lines and Angles chapter number 5. So already we have done some of the questions of exercise 5.1. Some more questions are there where you have to understand a little bit, जहाँ पे आप लोगों को थोड़ी सी दिक्कत आती है. तो that 3 question I am just telling you, and these 3 questions are very important as per the exam point of view. Okay, तो एग्जाम्स में मोस्टली ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सी इंडिकेट विच पेयर ऑफ द एंगल्स आर वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. विच पेयर ऑफ द एंगल इज वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल? नंबर 1, first part we are doing is vertically opposite angles, that is pair of vertically opposite angle. Number 1, see, this is the figure. Vertically opposite angle. For vertically opposite angle, one thing you have to keep in mind क्या कि intersecting lines होनी चाहिए, this one and this one, right? तो vertically opposite angle कौन कौन से होंगे? This, right? And this one and this complete. Okay, so what is the vertically opposite angle? The pair of a vertically opposite angle is angle 1 and angle 4, or you can write it like this, as vertically opposite angle are equal to each other, so 1 is equal to angle 4. This one you can write it like this also, angle 1 and angle 4. One pair is this, and second one pair you can write it angle 5 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Okay, or you can write it in this way, angle 5 and angle 2 plus angle 3. In this way you can do it. Okay, now see, these are the two pairs of vertically opposite angles in this figure. Now see the second one part. This is what linear pair. You have to tell the linear pair. Linear pair का मतलब क्या होता है? जिन दो एंगल्स का सम कितना होना चाहिए? 180 डिग्री होना चाहिए. ओके, पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स मीन्स एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 5, that is 180 degree. So it is a linear pair. So what is the angle 1 and angle 5? Then second one is what? This all, angle 4, angle 3 and angle 2. You can write it in this way. You can write it in this way, that angle 4, angle 3 plus angle 2. Write it in this way. Okay children, so these are the two. Indicate which of the pair of angles are. These are vertically opposite angle. This one is what? Linear pair. Children, this is very interesting and very important question. See, find the value of angles, right? X, Y or Z की value find out करनी है in these two figures. Firstly, just see this one figure. Here, you should keep in mind while doing lines and angles, all that vertically opposite angle, linear pair, that you have to keep in mind. Okay, related angles का. Now see, this is 55. We have to find the value of x. 55 and x. These are angle 55, or you can write what? X is equal to 55 degree. Reason is vertically these two are what? Vertically opposite angle. Vertically आप ऊपर लिख सकते हो, इसको L नाम दे दो and give this one ये. तो L and M are intersecting lines, so they make vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So these two are vertically opposite angles. So value of x, you know, what is that? 55 degree. So this is equal to what? 55 degree. Right children? Now see, next what they have asked? Y. So as 55 degree plus y this is a straight line. M के ऊपर आ रहा है, this is a straight line. See, this is a straight line. That means this plus this is a linear pair. Linear pair. If these two are linear pair, तो sum of linear pair is equal to 180 degree, right? So y is equal to 180 degree minus 55. What you will get? 5 and 7 2 and 1. 125. So what is your y? Y is 125 degree. This is this and this one is this. Okay, one more is left. That is what? Z. As y and z, these are what? ये देखो ये intersecting lines है, तो these two are what? Vertically opposite angles. So you can write y is equal to z, that is vertically opposite angles. That is equal to, therefore y is equal to what? Y equals to z equals to what? 125 degree. So this one is also what? This is equal to 125. Right? So it is very simple and you will enjoy doing this. Okay, now come to the second one part, that is, see, you have to find the value of x, y and z. Okay children, now this is one line L and this is M. L and M are intersecting, right? Intersecting lines. These are intersecting lines, right? Now see, intersecting lines, you can see from, if I show you this one and this one. Okay, so this angle and this angle are what? Vertically opposite angle. 40 degree is equal to Z, vertically opposite angles, right? As L and M are intersecting. One more thing you can see, this one and this complete what? X plus 25, right? This complete. This is what? This is again vertically opposite angle. Okay? Or you can do this one, as linear pair also. फिर आप लिख सकते हो, this is the first one. Now angle, or you can write it, sum of angles of linear pair is equal to 180 degree, right? So 40 degree plus x plus 25 degree is equal to what? 180 degree. Okay, so 40 plus 25 is 65 degree plus x equals to what? 180 degree. X is equal to what? 180 minus 65. That is equal to 5 and what? See, 7 and 1. 1. This 150. So what you will get? You will get here this angle x is equal to what? 115. And y is equal to, see, this complete is x. So just I am doing it here. Okay. So value of z we got. Value of x is equal to कितना आ गया? 115 degree आ गया. This also we get. What is y now? Y is equal to, see, y, this one, and z you got, z is what? 40 degree. So y plus z is equal to 180 degree. This is what? Linear pair. Okay, this and this straight line में आ रहे हैं. This and this makes 180 degree linear pair. So z you know, that is 40 degree. So y is equal to 180 minus 40 degree. So this is equal to 140 degree. Y is equal to what? 140 degree. So children, I think this is clear to you. When you do by yourself, then it will be more clear. Okay. So try to do it by yourself. Now come to the next and the last question. That is question number 14. Now see children, name the pair of angles. Okay. First you have to find out, this is the figure for this. here is A, B, C, D and E, this is O. Okay, obtuse vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle, but that should be obtuse. This one AC and BD, ये दोनों क्या है? Intersecting lines है. Okay, this line and this line. Okay, so this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. लेकिन ये किस तरह के angle हैं? These are acute. So what we have to take? We have to take this one and this one. Okay, that is AOD. What? Angle AOD and angle BOC. This is one pair of vertically opposite angle. Only one pair is there. One. Okay. Right. Next is adjacent complementary angles. Now adjacent and complementary angle. Adjacent, I told you, adjacent, and that must be what? Complementary angle. So this one figure we are getting, this is complementary 90 degree. The sum of this and this is equal to 90 degree. So मिल गया हमें ये BOA angle, BOA and what angle? What? Angle AOE. Okay, why? Because sum of this is equal to what? 90 degree. So angle BOA and angle AOE, these are what? This is complementary, adjacent complementary angle. Now next is what? Equal supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means what? Supplementary angles means sum of the angles should be 180 degree. Now see here, if we'll take this one and this one, means this angle and this angle, 90 plus 90 is 180. What they are saying? Equal supplementary. 90 and 90 are equal and they are supplement of each other. So we can write it angle BOE plus angle DOE is equal to 180 degree. That is why we can say what? Angle BOE and angle DOE. This is a pair of equal supplementary angle. Reason also I have written down here. Now come to the next question, that is unequal supplementary angle. Angle can be unequal. Okay, for that too we can take this one. This and this are what? Supplementary angle, but these two angles are not equal to each other. So here we can write what? Angle DOC, this one. Angle DOC and COB and angle COB. First pair is this. Second pair you can take this one, that is AOB and AOD. Angle AOB and AOD, right? और भी हो सकता है इसमें, this and this one and this one we have done, this and this one we have done. और क्या हो सकता है? Okay, these two are the yes, one more. This is also supplementary, COB and DOA. COB and DOA. Angle BOA. COB, see this one now. This is this one and this one. Okay. So children, now see children, what they have asked, the fifth one part is adjacent angle that do not form a linear pair. That must be adjacent but they are not forming the linear pair. If we will take this and this whole, so they are forming linear pair. This and this are not forming linear pair. So we can take this one and this one. Adjacent angle, okay. That is angle BOA and angle AOE. First is this one. और देख लेते हैं कितने पेयर हैं. That do not form a linear pair. Okay. This one AOE, ये और ये. These are adjacent की common arm है and two uncommon arms. Okay, so adjacent angle, angle AOE and angle EOD, right? Then this is also this one and this one, that is angle EOT and DOC, angle DOC. Okay, this one. So these are the pairs of what? Linear. These are the pair of adjacent angle that do not form a linear pair. These are not forming a linear pair. So children, here we have done this one exercise. If you are getting any problem in that, then please ask me in the comment box. I think you understood all this, but you have to watch this 2-3 times. Okay, so children, मिलते हैं अपनी next video में. Till then, goodbye. I just want to say subscribe my channel, like it, and please share it to your friends. Thank you and have a nice day.